Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to switch the network for your Bitget wallet. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the Bitget Wallet Chrome extension. In case you don't know how to install it, worry not. We have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let us simply look at how to change the network. At the bottom right here, you can see a green dot like this that says connected. Simply click on this button right here, and as such, once you do, these things will open up. From here, as you can see, there are multiple networks you can switch around from. Let's say I want to switch to Fuse network right here. Click on it, and that is it guys. Once you do, your network will have been changed. That's the gist of it guys. That is how you change your network in Bitget Wallet. You just have to click on this button right here and select the network of your choice. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.